Hi, we're Beth and Brian, an American couple that retired a little early and bought an abandoned farm in southeast Sicily. We hope you'll join us as we get to know our neighbors, store the old farmhouse, and explore this absolutely beautiful island. I'm Anini.
Morning.
Morning.
Happy Sunday.
It is early Sunday morning.
Yeah, the roosters might be chiming in a little bit this morning.
Yeah, they're fun though.
So.
Yeah, because they don't have long to live.
Oh, there you go. Which one is that?
Marvin. Marvin's a loudmouth.
Marvin's the loudest one out of all of them.
He is. He's the biggest one too. So one of the other roosters will crow and be like, "Oh yeah."
Yeah, I got one up on you.
We talk about it. He kind of reminds us of Biff.
Back to the Future.
Back to the Future. He's just kind of dumb. Yeah, he's kind of a dumb one. He's a dumb one.
He's not dumb.
He's a dumb one.
He's just big and bulky.
Yeah. Well, they're gonna find themselves at a beautiful coq au vin pretty soon.
Sooner rather than later. Because we're sleeping out in the outbuilding right now because Brian's sister's in town visiting. Mm-hmm. And it butts up against where the chicken coop is, and at 3 o'clock in the morning.
God, this is a little known fact.
Did not know this.
I thought it was a sunrise thing.
Nope. 3 o'clock in the morning, they're in the little coop. I was like, really?
Shut up. And they're right adjacent to us, locked up in that little... Yeah.
In their coop. So yeah. So anyway, it's been a weekend.
So we gave Susan the house, right?
Yeah.
And then we've been sleeping in that outbuilding. We've been doing a lot of work on it, and to get it ready so that we could sleep in it. We finally got a roof on it.
The roof is good.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful metal roof. It looks. I mean, I'm really happy with it.
Looks fabulous.
Yeah.
And the architect came over and was like,
yeah,
which was good.
And the floor, we get all that leveled out, ready for tile. Nice.
Yep.
You did a great job getting the rest of that garbage off the outside of the
working on
wall, and we're just cleaning it up, piano. It's just...
piano, except for the fact that it was like, go, because Susan's coming. So
yeah, we had a little bit of a.
It was a bit of a long week.
Lucky to have John.
So yes.
Yeah, but we got it done.
Yep.
And what else?
We had to get a mattress.
Oh yeah, that was some drama. If you live in Italy, we didn't experience this in France, but if you live in Italy, you probably are familiar with this. But there are delivery companies here who we live in the countryside, kinda. We don't live too close to any big city, but delivery companies here are like, I think you live a little too far away from Nono. I just don't want to deliver to you.
But they'll say they've got this beautiful online system where they'll tell you, like, it's, on the truck, it's out for delivery, it's this, and then we'll get a message saying, we called you, but you weren't home. Or we tried to deliver it, but you weren't home.
Your address is wrong.
Or
they just don't want to. They just don't want to deliver it.
No.
So they force you to go pick up your package.
Yes.
Right? So we needed this mattress, and it was supposed to be in last week.
Yes.
And we had until Thursday to get it because it has to open for 24 hours before you can sleep on it. So I went Tuesday.
Tuesday, yeah.
Yeah, because they said they tried to deliver on Friday, and then they tried to deliver on Monday, and then they said it was in Catania, And they have this system where you can kind of kick it out of the system and supposedly send it to a pickup location,
Right.
key point, they call it, KI, key point. So I get in there, you have to release your package at this point because they've tried to deliver it for 3 days.
Yeah.
And so I say, okay, I want to do that. I want to release it. I want to go pick it up somewhere. And they give me 4 locations to choose from. I just chose the first one, key point, whatever. And I thought it was all in Catania, but the fact of the matter, it was the province of Catania. So the first one was actually just outside of Taormina.
Which is the furthest point away from us that you can possibly go and still be in Catania region.
It's a 2-hour drive to this little dinky street and a little dinky store, nowhere to park. And I'm thinking, there's no way our mattress is there. So I got out, I went inside, they were very helpful. But I said, yeah, no, the mattress is not here. And they said, this is where it is. And they printed out a piece of paper for me, which was really, really nice. And I plugged the address into, Google Maps, and I took off. And I wound up in an abandoned warehouse. So because the piece of paper said it was at the Catania branch, I thought, well, maybe they made a mistake on the address. And so I went into Catania, went to the proper Catania Key Point branch. Yeah, no, it's not here. No. It's at this warehouse, the SPD warehouse, I think. Yeah, somewhere in Catania. So I went there, and the guy looks at the paper, and he finds it. He finds the package and everything. And he's gone for a good 10 minutes.
Yes.
And he comes back, and he has the free pillow, but no mattress. Somehow they've gotten separated. They've lost the mattress.
They've lost the mattress.
Oh, okay. Well, I took the pillow. I came home. 7 hours on the road trying to find this mattress.
Mattress.
Wake up the next morning, and they say, miraculously somehow they found everything. And we have to go back to Catania. We go to Catania, and we a long line, waited around half an hour, 40 minutes, and finally we get up to the counter, and the guy's pissed. So why did you call me? I have it right on my desk here.
I don't know.
It's like, and maybe
you didn't say to call.
You didn't say to call. You put something on the computer that it was here. So anyhow, you take it from here.
So we get up to the counter, explain to the guy what we're looking for, and he's like, "Well, tell me, what is this box?" Oh yes, forgot. There's also a
motocross race that comes by our house today.
Yes, so that's a new one. So we're explaining to the guy what the box should probably look like and everything, and we're again doing it in our broken. Excuse me.
Wow, that's Mama. She's not nice.
She's having a bad day.
No, she's going to become coq au vin too.
So we're trying to explain the whole thing, and all of a sudden, all the people that are also waiting, because everyone at this point knows this company and how horrible the company is. Yeah. They're finally, like in Italian, screaming at the guy. It is a mattress.
It's a mattress. It's huge. 3 people all at once.
And the guy finally kind of looked at them all, and everyone just kind of chuckled and laughed. And so he went out into the back.
He's gone for 20 minutes.
Gone for 20 minutes.
And there's a line of people behind us, and they're starting to. Actually, they weren't mad.
They were not mad. It's just, I think it's just normal. It's just normal.
Yeah.
So Brian's like, "Is that our mattress out on the loading dock?" And I was like, "Okay." It
says Emma.
It says Emma. So I went outside. There are 2 boxes there.
2 boxes. 2 Emma mattresses.
2 Emma mattresses. So I'm like, okay. So I saw the name on one, and it was your name.
Yeah.
The other one, I couldn't see the name because it must have been buried underneath it. So I came back inside, and the guy was like, "Yeah, those are yours." And we're like, okay. Come to find out, the mattress that I had originally ordered, but I was told that the payment was refused because
And you got an email.
I got an email saying the payment was refused. And a lot of times that happens because it's a U.S. bank versus, anyway. So that's when Brian went online and he ordered the mattress. Well, come to find out, they went ahead and ordered the one that I originally...
The payment miraculously made it.
Unbelievable. Can you believe that?
So 2 mattresses were delivered.
So we've got 2 king-size mattresses. So we found the mattress. Somehow they ordered 2. So on the one that said payment refused, somehow it didn't refuse. And they sent us that one as well as the one that Brian ordered. So now we have 2 king-size mattresses in our tiny house.
They won't respond to us.
No.
Emma, the mattresses, I really like it.
Oh, it's so comfortable.
Their customer service is garbage.
Horrible.
Yeah.
So, but we don't need 2 king-size mattresses, so now we're trying to figure out how to get the other one back. And
We're putting it on eBay. We'll put the link in the description. No, they better come and get it.
Something.
Yeah.
Something. But at any rate, that's done. It's good. Hopefully.
That is typical here.
That is very typical.
Yeah, it's like, hey, they just don't feel like delivering it. No, they don't. So they say, come pick it up.
Oh, but we tried.
Yeah.
We called you. No.
That takes a little getting used to.
Yeah. So, I don't know. What else have we been doing? I mean, Susan showed up on Friday. And we brought her, we went into town last night. And so that was kind of fun.
Yeah, a little concert.
Yeah.
And we took a passeggiata through the gardens and on the Corso. And I think she really likes it here.
I do. And for her, it's just like, she's like, oh my God, I recognize this. Oh, I know this. Oh, I know this.
Yeah, from the videos.
From the videos. So that's kind of fun to see. And then today we'll go back into town. There's a blow up the church, Madonna. I can't remember what
St. Anthony's.
St. Anthony's. So there's that happening.
Yep.
And then, I don't know, we've got lots of stuff planned with her
Lots
this week.
of stuff. So
is
next
good.
week, hopefully, we'll get a good video because this one kind of sucks.
Stop.
Well, I mean, it's just we didn't do anything other than work on the building.
Yeah.
So
we
there
have,
it is.
we have a lot of video of Brian working on the building, AKA standing.
Really? What are you driving at?
John is fabulous. He's a contractor by nature and
By nature?
by
nature. You need another cup. Go get a cup
I
of
know,
coffee.
I'm really tired.
By trade.
Yes.
Yeah.
He's a contractor, and so he did the work. And you were fabulous. You were the eye candy.
Check. Really? Yeah, almighty. We're gonna have to have a pre 9 a.m. rule. Just for that, I'm putting in the bedhead video.
You are not.
It's going in. Okay. Here it is.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Take a video for Douglas.
What are you doing? This is terrible. You're so mean. Oh, I need more coffee. At any rate.
Right.
So I guess that's it.
It's
been quiet. It's a quiet week. And this coming week, we've got a lot happening, so it'll be good, I hope.
Yes, we do.
Anyway,
For
okay.
the third time.
I'm going to go have my coffee now.
Okay.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Have
Thanks
a great
for watching.
week.